How to fix Newegg app issues. To fix the issue with the Newegg app, you can try standard troubleshooting steps like clearing your cache, data, all that. First of all, I recommend checking your internet connection. Go to settings on your device, look for network and internet. Make sure to switch between internet and Wi-Fi. That could also be able to help you out. While you're on the same page, you go to the app section, locate Newegg from the list. There you want to make sure to select storage and cache. Now there you want to make sure to clear cache. That should definitely help you out as well. Now that you've done this, what you can also do is other thing. You just want to make sure to go and check for an update. Sometimes it could be due to the outdated version. So open up your respective app store, type in Newegg and make sure that the app is updated to the latest version. Despite doing all this procedure, if nothing works out, you might want to make sure to completely close the background running app and at the same time hold on to your side button and restart the device. That should definitely help you out. So this way you're supposed to fix the Newegg app issue. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.